Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks 333, and I am here with Serenday. And I am about to get a message. So give me one moment. Please drop a like below, share, subscribe, and comment. All right. Give me a moment. Hello again. What's your message? Did you? Okay. There will be warriors amongst you, or amongst or among? 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 No, amongst. Okay. Gotta get specific. Okay, wait a minute. There will be warriors amongst you. Is that a good thing? No. Okay. These warriors will impose restrictions upon you. Restrictions that will ultimately lead to ways of living you are not used to. This new rising of propaganda amongst the peoples will continue until the warriors come into light. For now, they are hidden among you and will continue to hide their warrior status until it is time. Get prepared for another shocking event to occur. This will astound all. This will begin to compromise positions of those who seek to fight for freedom. So go to where you have been called. If you feel it, it is true. If you know it, it must be. Where are you now? Are you within the premises of your liking, of your way of being that serves the whole of what you are? A plentiful life awaits you, but you must follow the source within you that calls. Is that it? No. Okay, continue. Will you answer the callings that will stand against these warriors. And behold a new way of living, of being. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get a word. They're saying many something and I can't get it. Many. Go ahead. Many stations must be created. You know what we speak of. For those who are called to these stations. Oh. A plan must be had and adhered to by those who choose to band together. But you must choose. And the time is coming for this choice. Set yourself afire within the passion of your heart space. And lift your consciousness up to see what is beneath the veiled. Is that it? Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope that made sense and that resonated with some of you. Please drop a like below, share, and subscribe if you already haven't. If you're interested in tarot card readings, my other channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot, offers them. And if you want a private reading, the link to my Etsy shop, the link is in the description box below. You guys have an awesome day, and as always, stay within your heart and connected to love. Namaste.